We have this pump with milky oil in it, and we need to figure out what the problem is before we clean it out. The number one issue is water contamination due to fractured or cracked pistons. So, in this video, we're going to go through the process and check that out. To get to the pistons, we'll first need to start by removing the manifold. We'll do this by using a 5mm Allen T-bar wrench to remove the 8 bolts holding the manifold onto the body. Using a mallet, we'll gently tap the backside of the manifold until it comes loose. With the manifold removed, we're going to look for any damages or cracks due to freezing. The main points to look for are around your inlet fitting, thermal relief valve, outlet fitting around any of the seams, chemical injector, boost valve, and around any of the mounting points and seams as well. If you don't witness any cracks and the manifold's in good shape, then we can reuse it. Now that we have that manifold removed, it's time to inspect the pistons. And on the pistons, we found several cracks along the top side on the outer one and along the side of the center one. Because of this, we're going to have to replace them. Now that we've confirmed that the pistons are cracked in our pump, it's time to remove them and replace them with the new ones. We're removing these using an 8mm socket. And typically when removing these, we'll find that they will fall apart, much like this one. Before we install the new pistons, we'll want to first take out the seal spacers and inspect them for any damage or compaction. Each of our piston kits come with 4 components: the mounting bolt, washer, ceramic piston, and a seal. When assembling each of the pistons, we're going to take our mounting bolt, our washer, our ceramic piston, making sure the indentation is up towards the threads. Some grease on our seal. Dab of blue Loctite. Hand tighten each of our pistons back onto the pump. After the pistons have been hand tightened down to the pump, we're going to take our torque wrench, set it to 6 foot-pounds, and properly torque them into place. During the reassembly process, we're going to want to use a grease, first adding it to our seal spacers. Coat around each of one of our pistons. And lastly, we're going to grease the seals on the manifold. Before we fasten our manifold into place, and before we reuse our bolts, we want to use a soft bristled wire brush to clean the threads out so that our Loctite adheres better to the threads. We're going to add blue Loctite to each of the manifold bolts and hand fasten each of them into place. As we tighten these down, we are going to want to keep these in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to set our torque wrench to 9 foot-pounds, and using the same sequence, we're going to use that pattern to properly torque the manifold down. Using our 5mm Allen socket, we're going to properly torque these into place. Now that we have fixed our problem, we don't want to run our pressure washer until we've cleaned out the crankcase. Thankfully, we have a video on this and we'll have it linked below.